Let's talk about Tefal L6509042 Ingenio Expertise Non-Stick Induction Expertise Cookware Set, 13 pieces, black. Detachable handles for versatile cooking experience. Tefal's thermo-spot technology on the frying pans, wok and sautepan indicates when your pans reach optimum cooking temperature. Metal utensil safe non-stick coating except knives and whisks. To extend the life of the coating, you should use a small amount of oil when stir-frying or grilling. You do not need oil when boiling or stewing. Dishwasher safe. Oven safe up to 260 degrees. Brilliant idea executed in the typical low-cost, low-durability Tefal way. The removable handles and stacking is a brilliant concept. Unfortunately, every single pan now has the non-stick coating flaking where the handle attaches and one can see the black non-sticking coating particles in the food. Fit for the bin. These pans are not fit for purpose. I've had 2 sets and both times the non-stick coating begins to peel at about 6 months. On both occasions the metal plate on the bottom of the pan starts to separate from the pan, leaving it ruined. If you contact Tefal, they take forever to get back to you and you'd have to take it to a service center at your own expense to get it fixed. Don't waste your money, they're not worth it. One of the first truly non-stick sets we've bought from Tefal. We've gotten through multiple Tefal pan sets in the past few years and it's usually only a matter of months before the coating is peeling off and the pan is no longer suitable for use. These have been incredibly durable and can be used with both metal and plastic utensils and you don't get any of the scratching or peeling off of coating. These are so easy to clean after use as most of the food remnants etc. just slide right off with some washing up liquid and water. It's a bit on the dear side cost-wise, but well worth the investment if they last as long as it appears they might.